Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Lorraine and Utayla ICU. They recently unfollowed each other on IG and they deleted each other's pictures. And it is alleged Uti Bashlugene and called off their engagement. Since we all know 2 years back, they buy a vacation and baposta ithombe zabo boythuna and they confirmed ukuthi bona baku relationship, and everyone on X Twitter was dragging their relationship, telling ICU ukuthi Lorraine is for everyone and Lorraine is a homewrecker, which is allegedly nakhona kuthiwa Lorraine uhlanganise uNatasha Tahani. She was dating Uloch. Uloch kahle kahle bekatshisa no Lorraine allegedly. And Utayla, as you I don't think was like it was like, let me give you a chance and all. And bekaqeda nokuphumela imali, so obvious bekusese honeymoon phase, and then ngathi makaqeda engage, everyone was like, can't you tell ICU cabanga? And everyone thought Taylor ICU maybe he never dated Ibedi and he never dated someone beautiful and famous. Guys, and still they didn't mind. They continued with their relationship, and posted on my family members wabo. I think beleba, yeah, obvious man engaged and family and stuff. And Lauren was so supportive. Bekahamba naye kuwo wonke ama-gig, bekahamba naye kuma-international gigs, amsapota guys, am-ayinela, amenza i-makeup. She was there. She was there. Even though we all can speculate because she was there for money, but she was also there, amsapota guys. She was there. And we must also remember that every relationship has ups and downs. And if ever no two don't come into terms of ukuthi navumelana ngento eyi-one, you better part ways. But I don't even think one cheated, and we won't even know ukuthi bahlukene or bahlukaneleni because they're both private. Their lives are so private. And Ishimbo to Instagram, they're not posting Cozy or they're both living their lives. Omunye post akuma gigs, omunye use I think she went to China. I think Lorraine went to China because she posted same day she find out ukuthi by unfollowing, she posted passport and airplane ticket, and then poster where she is. Yeah, she was so beautiful, and people were asking her, are you coming back, will you come back and stuff. Ooh guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.